So today I'll show you how to replace a receiver on a Phonak receiver in the ear hearing aid. So let's have a close look at the hearing aid first. So this is the hearing aid with the receiver attached. So if I give that a bit of a pull, it is pushed firmly and locked into place. So what we'll need to do is we'll need to push this pin out of place. Now that pin is accessible from both sides. So if we grab our removal tool, which has a small pointy end, now essentially what we'll need to do is place that pin in with that lock. So if I push that, you will notice that that pin comes out on the other side. Now that pin will not go all the way through, so you can push quite hard and it just stops from going all the way through. Now if we come around to this side and pull the receiver out, you can see two pins there. Now let's grab the new receiver. Now I'll give you a closer look inside. We've got two holes for the pins. So what you'll need to do is try and match those holes up and push in firmly like so. And what we'll need to do is to lock the receiver back in. So essentially you just push on that grey portion and that's locked into place. Yep, and if we give that a bit of a pull, that receiver's not going anywhere, so it's nice and secure. And that's how you replace a receiver. For any questions or queries, you can reach us at valuehearing.com.au. Thanks for watching.